Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the pesky ResampleDMO.dll is missing error on your Windows PC. You might see a message saying codec execution cannot proceed and suggesting a reinstall. Don't worry, I've got a solution for you to try right now. Let's get started. This error appears when a program cannot find the ResampleDMO.dll file. It could be related to an audio app, a game, or another program. Reinstalling the program is one solution, but let's explore some quicker fixes first to save time. Start by opening the search menu. Just click the magnifying glass on your taskbar and type CMD. When command prompt appears, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to continue. Now, in the video description below, I've included a command, regzdr32 ResampleDMO.dll. Copy it from there. Then in the command prompt window, right-click the top bar, go to Edit, select Paste, and press Enter. The process may take a moment, and if successful, you'll see a message saying that DLL register server succeeded. Click OK, close the window, and restart your computer. After rebooting, check if the error is resolved. It might just be that simple. If the error still appears, don't worry, we've got another fix. Let's run a system file checker to repair any missing or corrupted files. Open the search menu again, type CMD, right-click command prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes. Then in the command prompt window, type SFC and press Enter. This will scan your system for corrupted or missing files, including ResampleDMO.dll. The scan may take several minutes depending on your PC's performance. You can just do other things while waiting for it to complete. Here, you will see a progress percentage updating on the screen. You will have to be patient and wait for it to reach verification 100% complete. When it's done, you might see a message saying Windows Resource Protection found and repaired corrupted files. If so, that's great. Even if no issues were found, close the command prompt window and restart your PC. Once your system reboots, try launching the program again to see if the error is gone. That's a full rundown, folks. We've tried registering the DLL and scanning the system. 2 solid fixes for the ResampleDMO.dll error. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.